Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville Barista Espresso machine. Now this machine, for this machine we replace the O-rings on the steamer boiler as well as the brew boiler. This one you see right here and that one is the steam boiler. And we also replace these batteries you right here. You can see it's not leaking, the other one was previously leaking. Definitely has pressure inside, as you can see the steam coming out of the one. That's an excellent pressure, working excellent. Hot water for this machine as well. It's a nice heavy steam coming out to the one. Excellent flow. Working great. And now we're going to be doing a shot of espresso. Unfortunately, I picked up a very fine grind for this machine. We can see that it goes all the way to the 9 bar, and no liquid is coming out through here. And that's yeah. Okay, let's redo that shot. I used a very fine grind on the last one, so it did pressurize all the way, but nothing was coming out through there. So hopefully this one is much better. And as you can see, we're having excellent flow coming out through the spouts. Really good flow. Excellent pressure on the group head. Looking great. Keep it on the long side, but we got nice crema coming out of that espresso shot. Excellent flow coming out through the group head. Whoop. The pot got stuck on the top. Excellent flow on the group head. This machine has approximately 7 seconds of infusion. As you can see, that's an excellent flow coming out through the head. Looking great. Steamer tip, no leaking any steam or anything like that. Machine having great pressure, excellent temperature, working great. So there you have it, Breville Barista Espresso working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.